This period has been profoundly challenging for our family. At times, we must pretend as though everything is normal, but yet the reality of dread looms ever close. We find solace in the words from Romans 14, verse 8. If we live, it is for the Lord that we live, and if we die, we belong to the Lord. A day we fervently wished would never happen actually appeared. A day we never wished to appeared on the calendar. It is a Black Wednesday when a man who brought us into this world, our father, Mr. Alex Mafu, passed away. Oh, death, how could you arrive so prematurely? Our father was our only mentor, but also cherished figure and nurtured and carried deeply for us. He was everything to us, yet death cruelly snatched him away. Dada, your departure to the next realm has left an irreparable void in our lives. After a brief illness, we forced to bid farewell to a hero, an icon who infused our life with joy. We had hopes for more things to happen as we relish the fruit of our hands' work. But we bow in divine decision. Yet, we cling to this assurance. He heals brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Psalm 147, verse 3. Dada, the world you may have been in as just one person, but to us, you were an extraordinary, loving father. Your commitment and achievement in every aspect of our life, from Christian journey to upbringing your children, you believe fervently that every child deserves the best, sparing no effort of ensure we lack for nothing. You will live forever in our hearts as we say our final goodbye. Dada, may God light illuminate your path to eternal rest. Thank you. Amen.
Bon, some can say about South Free Church of Pentecost. Also, Adansidia or Woma family.
From heaven say, write this: blessed are the dead who die in the Lord from now on. Yes, says the Spirit, they will rest from their labor, for the deeds will follow them. Revelation chapter 14, verse 13. I stand here today to honor the memory of my blessed husband, an immensely affectionate and loving man whose departure from this world came far too prematurely. He was not only my best friend, but also my soulmate, and his absence has left an irreplaceable void in my life. The Bible verse I mentioned earlier brings me solace, comforting me with the promise that he now rests in the Lord's embrace. Every moment that I grasp the reality that he is no longer physically with us feels like surreal, like a persistent dream. It never crossed my mind that I would be paying tribute to him so soon. His sudden departure has left me and our 4 children pondering the future and the beautiful plans we had envisioned for our family. Kweku always aimed to provide our children with the best education possible. To our children, he was a beacon of joy and a tender, caring father. I'm grateful to God and confident that our children will uphold the high values and standards of learning he set and will not let us down. In honor of his cherished memory, I vow to steadfastly continue our parental role, ensuring our children lead exemplary lives with God as my guide. Oh, my soulmate and my rock, you have been my unwavering support through thick and thin. You were always there, encouraging and guiding me through life's challenges. From the night I sold tin to managing a coal business and a coal store in Dakuma, among many other endeavors. I am profoundly thankful for your support. Kweku, through our shared faith in Jesus Christ, the children and I are comforted by the assurance that you are resting in the Lord's heavenly bosom, as affirmed in 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 13 to 18. I trust that you are looking down on us with a warm smile, urging us to forge ahead, make the best of life, stay close to God until we meet again. I can almost hear your voice encouraging us onward. You bid us farewell on that faithful Wednesday night, July 12, 2023, at Achimota Hospital. Goodbye, my dearest husband. I'm eternally grateful to God for the blessing of life. With a heart full of God's glory, I offer my final farewell song as composed by Jeremiah Rakim. God be with you till we meet again. By his counsel's guide, uphold you. With his sheep securely fold you. God be with you till we meet, till we meet, till we meet, till we meet at Jesus' feet, till we meet, till we meet. God be with you till we meet again.